Giannis not playing tonight. He's out. He's in the concussion protocol. And the Raptors decided to rest Kawhi Leonard. They thought, hey, Giannis isn't playing. Let's take the gamble. Let's give Kawhi some rest. Both teams are undefeated going into this one. They both have a record of 6-0. Ibaka gets it cooking early for the Raptors, but it's a very good game. Middleton misses his tip slammed in by Henson. Got to take another look at that one. One-handed over the defense, making it look easy. Nice pass from Lopez inside. And then Lopez throws down a huge slam. Then he gets a technical foul for hanging on the rim and also kicking. Valanciunas, take a look at the replays. Hanging, and then boom. Second half, the Raptors are down. Lowry trying to get him back in the game, gives it to Ibaka straight away. Three, it's good. They're fighting. They don't want to lose their streak. None of these teams want to lose their streak. But the Bucks, they were gunning from deep. Look at that ball movement. Bledsoe in the corner. Knocks it down. With the shot clock winding down to end the third quarter, another three. Dante having another good game. Chris Middleton gonna launch from way downtown, even though he's being defended, and then he's gonna do it in the corner. The Bucks are blowing the Raptors away with the three-point ball, and they're gonna tie a franchise record 7-0 start to the season. This poor guy. I've never seen somebody get hit with that many combos in a fight. I had to let him go. He's not going to survive. I mean, what is he going to do out there if he let me throw a 20-punch combo on him? This is the Wild Wild West, and I am going to be a savage, but that guy, I mean, that's just pathetic. Just let him go.